welcome to our podcast.
You could say this is our first podcast of Outstanding One. So I'm pretty sure many of you don't know us yet. And you know what they say, if you don't know us, you can love us.
Yeah.
So let me introduce myself first. My name is Alia. Nice to meet you guys. And of course, I'm not here alone. I'm with.
Hi everyone, I'm May. I'm really excited that we're finally starting this podcast together. So
Ariel.
and I'm Brina. Hi guys, I hope you'll enjoy to our podcast.
Alright. Now that we've introduced ourselves, let's move on to our conversation for today.
Well, as student early childhood education, we have a lot story to share with you all, guys, right?
Right.
So, because even now, many people still think studying early childhood education is just about playing, singing, and caring. But on the inside, oh my gosh, the theory and the assignment are seriously intense too.
Yeah, that's right. So today we want to talk about the reality of studying early childhood education, the challenges, and our hopes as future early childhood teachers. So guys, let's get started.
Okay, let me start first. This question is most basic question from everyone. So, why you choose early childhood education for the first place you want?
For me, it's because I really love children. I used to volunteer for teaching activities at a kindergarten during high school, and I just felt it was a good fit. From there, I think I should major in early childhood education.
Okay.
Honestly, I only tried it out initially, but after I started, I felt comfortable. Studying child development turned out to be fun and not boring at all, guys.
It's great, guys. But as for me, when I was a child, I will dream to become a early childhood education teacher. So I think study at early childhood education is perfectly way to imagine my dream for a long time ago.
It turns out many people who initially tried it out on a whim ended up falling in love with in the major.
Okay, let's next, guys. Let's discuss the reality of early childhood college life. But we can all relate to our assignments are incredibly detailed.
I agree. Starting from making teaching aids, weekly plans, module, lesson, plans for play activity, all the way practical experience at early childhood education institution. All of that requires time and meticulous.
Not to mention the craft supplies, popsicle sticks, glue, color paper, cardboard, and glitter. It seems like an early childhood education that students pack isn't filled with electronics but with craft tools.
That's so true. But the assignments are sometimes not heavy, guys. Super detailed.
betul.
For example, creating a medium that combines cognitive and motor aspect that can take one night and still not to be finished.
Yeah, but if you see the result looks so great, you feel proud of yourself,
Yes.
right?
And during observation, you really feel the benefit. Children get so enthusiastic when the teaching media is interesting, right?
Yeah, the exhaustion is worth it when you see the children enthusiastically playing while learning.
Okay, let's talk about challenge. What is the most noticeable one for you all?
The stigma, definitely. Many people say oh, early childhood education is easy. It's just playing around. Even though we study developmental psychology, curriculum, learning management, and child development assessment.
That's all right. And then, dealing with children in the field is a huge challenge, guys. Sometimes there are tantrums, and some are super active. And don't forget, some are very shy, guys.
Yes, but for me, the challenge is actually about creativity. We are constantly required to have new ideas for media or learning methods.
Yeah, sometimes trying out of ideas becomes stressful in itself.
And don't forget time management, guys.
Yeah.
Lots of assignments, practice, reports, and observation. We have to able to manage time so we don't fall behind.
Okay, basically, starting at early childhood education train us to be patient, meticulous, and flexible people.
Okay, guys, let's share the funniest or most memorable story during observation.
Okay, I was once leading the children in a song, and they suddenly changed the lyric however they want. It turned into an absurd but hilarious song. I couldn't stop laughing.
I once broke a hand doll and the children immediately swarmed me. They were fighting to touch it, pulling it, and I was confused about how to keep myself.
Children are so spontaneous, guys.
Yeah.
My most memorable experience was when there was a super quiet child. But slowly, after I often invited him to play, he started to dare to speak. Wow, that feeling was make me so happy.
Yeah, a small moment of change like that make us realize that this provision is truly meaningful, right?
Yeah.
So, let's hope do you have for when you become an early childhood education teacher?
For me, I want to create an early childhood education class that is so inclusive, safe, and make children feel valued.
And me, I want to be a teacher who is creative and open to the developments of the times. Children nowadays learn so fast, so teacher must also stay updated.
Okay, I hope the public becomes more aware that early childhood education is important, right?
Yeah, that's so true.
This is not just a playing around. Education, it is the initial foundation for character building.
Okay, guys. Next, if you have a message for fellow early childhood education students,
For me, stay motivated even with a lot of excitement. Remember our goal to shape the future generation.
And me, enjoy the process. You have to be fully committed to the work of children to truly feel the excitement.
and don't forget, never stop learning, guys. The work of early childhood education is constantly evolving, so the teachers must also involve.
Wow, this talk today was so much fun, right? It feels like we've poured out all our thought about being early childhood education students.
Yeah, hopefully our conversation can be an insight for our friends who are also struggling.
But guys, I'm so sad today.
Why?
This time is over.
Oh.
Thank you guys for listening to our podcast.
See you!
Bye.